Can't decide between a full windshield, half windshield, or flip down? Well, SuperATV has you covered with our 3-in-1 windshield, and today we're going to show you how to get one installed on a Can-Am Defender. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and remove both portions of your windshield out of the box, couple them together, which you'll couple them right here. They just slide on the slots. Lay it up in the position, make sure that it fits. Ours does, so we're going to go ahead and remove it, get it on our table, and remove our protective film. So next you want to go ahead and grab your D seal. So we're going to start about midway up this edge, so about right here, and we're going to run it all the way across. And this is our lower portion of the windshield here. Then we're just going to come right here and just cut off the excess, just like that. So next we're going to go ahead and install our D-seal all the way up the frame of the cage here, all the way across, and then all the way down the opposite side. Once you get to right here, just go ahead and cut your seal. Once we get right there, we'll go ahead and cut off our excess. Next, we're going to grab our clamp. It'll have two portions of it. You'll have this portion that says SuperATV as the hook on the back, and then you'll have the actual cage clench. So what we're going to do is take them. The SuperATV always needs to be to the outside. Then we're going to take our clamp and install it like this so the opening is facing away. Just take it, get it lined up, pull it, so that way it'll fit just like this. Then repeat the steps for the opposite side. So we're just going to take our windshield, lay it up here just like this, and we're going to slide our windshield up to where our clamps line up perfectly. So we got that side fastened, and we're going to do the opposite side here. So the next thing we're going to do is get an 8mm drill bit and drill all of the holes that are in this lower windshield. So we'll just drill right through the dash on each of these. So in the kit, you're going to notice that you have two different sizes of push pins. You're going to have two long ones, which are going to go on the outside portions. So we'll make sure that we put the long ones out here on the edge, like that. And then we'll put short ones all through the center section. Then to finish it off, we'll go ahead and put another long push pin in down here on the edge. Next thing we need to do is go ahead and loosen the brackets on the top of the windshield. So next we're going to line our windshield up on both of our channels here. So it'll line up. You have to kind of wiggle it around, and then it'll lock into place. So then what we want to do is get our brackets to where they're going to line up on the dash flat. So pretty much right here where they're laying. Once you have them set, we'll just go back through. It's kind of a little bit tricky to get your wrench in here, but you can. And then just go ahead and fully tighten them to where they stay in place for you. Make sure you tighten both sides of the bracket and both brackets. So next we're going to get our two-sided sticky foam here. One side is going to be the side that has the adhesive. One side we're going to leave the backing on it. So we'll just go ahead and stick that to our magnet. It'll be something like this. And then we're going to grab our other piece of foam and we're going to remove the backing from both sides. So get it lined up here, something like this. Peel the backing. So it'll have adhesive on this side as well as sticking to the magnet, and then this side will have the foam. So we'll just lift it up. Lay it into position here to where it rests. Apply a good amount of pressure down. And then we'll go ahead and do the same exact thing for the opposite side over here. and you're gonna wanna let these sit for a little while. So next we're gonna go ahead and grab our clamps again. SuperATV is gonna be facing towards the outside. We're gonna have to do it like this, and then we're gonna install our clamp just like this here. And we'll do that for both sides. Then to flip your windshield up, just take it, flip it up, clamp it to the cage, then just repeat the same step for the opposite side. There you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's 3-in-1 windshield on this Can-Am Defender. For more information on this windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call or check us out online. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.